Hi guys, so here I go another video today about the OBD Proc mileage correction tool. So what I want to talk about it today is how to set it up when you got it as brand new. So basically once you take it out of the box, you turn it on and you need to follow the steps, is registration steps like names, address, email address, all these simple things. Once you complete it, you click on home. This is the menu. This is one page menu you get. So if you're stuck, you can also get a quick support as well. You have a gallery. While you do something, you want to take a screenshot, you go to gallery. That's where your image is gonna be sorted. And you also can do a video as well. But anyways, so once you finish with our registration and we come to this screen, we go on Diac Prog, pretty much DP, and disclaimer, blah blah blah, we agree. So this is what we've got. Go back, exit. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 options. So the first one is the program. This is the section where you do your all services or mileage correction. You go to the first one. Option 2, how to upgrade it. I will show you in a second. Option 3, my data. Option 4, team viewer, and then the fifth option is settings. So how to upgrade it? If there is any new updates, you just click on upgrade, and as you can see, there is a new software available. Whether to upgrade the software? Yes please. And then the downloading is starting. To okie dokie, install, and then start the installing process. Okay, app isn't installed, it is still loading. Probably it's gonna take a couple of minutes. Also, if you're wondering how to get connect to the Wi-Fi, you just go to the setting options, you go Wi-Fi, and you go all available networks around you. And then in option you have Bluetooth, data usage, airplane mode, portable hotspot, VPN, etc. You can change the brightness, storage, check the storage, battery life, sound notification, location. So this is what the menu is all about. Let's just double check if it's ready. Welcome to agree, upgrade. This is where it's checking all the updates. So as you can see, this is all the new updates available for Kia, blah blah blah. You can scroll down, and basically, let's say you don't want to do all of them, you want to do just Kia and Fiat, for example, and display, yeah? Or let's do Peugeot as well. And then we select 4 out of 9 updates, and then we click on bulk updates, and as you can see, the progress is very quick. There's another one still upgrading the Peugeot. So is that's very simple to do the updates, and you can check every week or every month, or there's always new updates coming. So it says now installing. So the update was a bit bigger than the rest, so it takes a bit longer. So as you can see now, we have upgrade completed. Upgrade completed. Upgrade completed. If you want to do all of them, you just click on the top left corner and that select all updates available to be done. And then we click bulk update, and then we do all the available updates. Okay, most of them they're done, so we still go. This is the biggest one for Citroen, so it's gonna take a bit longer, but anyways, I just want to take you through and show you how easy it is to do the updates. And I've done a few other cars as well, so soon I will update the video of me doing it. Mileage correction. Installing. So it's gonna take some time. No problem, we got plenty of time. So as you can see, all of them they're green. That means they're all been upgraded, complete and successful. And then you go back, and then let's say in a week time you just go on update again, and it's loading all the available updates. Now there's no software can be upgraded. Okay, thank you. So go back, and I'm gonna do another video showing you all the models. For example, let's go to Audi, enter, and this is all the cars. It will show you a list of all the makes available that can do the altimeter correction. So it takes its time because we've done the updates. Usually it takes you straight to the list of makes and models that can be done. But I'm gonna do separate video for it to show you all the different makes, all different vehicles and age as well. So I hope this video helped. The installation process is very easy, straightforward. Once you finish your installation, you finish your registration, and that's it. So you can see Audi Q3, S8, TT, S5, R8. Actually, there's some new models because previously there was some of them wasn't here. So there's plenty of them. Let's say you want A1. So yeah, I will show you that in another video. This is just a simple video how to register, how to do an update on your OBD programmer altimeter correction. So I hope that helped, guys. Any question, comments down below. Thumbs up, and see you next time.